Hello guide, Colonel Ninny here. One of the most popular servers is Tactical Air War. But with it being down for maintenance, many people have been on other servers, such as Wings of Liberty. And although this is considered as an expert server, the weather is generally good, there are no night missions, and you have the GPS icons. Clear skies and good visibility help you to maintain your position in formation. And with some altitude, navigating could not be any simpler. What you see down there is what's on your map. Provided you have the little black icon of your aircraft on the map, there really is no need to learn how to navigate and map read properly. This is one of the tools that you lose when you step into Tactical Air War. And that means planning your flight and flying your plan. It also means keeping track of your time and distance, and establishing waypoints on your route. I have tutorials that cover basic to advanced navigation to help you get to the target and home again. What was once for us a simple task becomes very complex as we enter the world of reduced visibility and perhaps low level and winter navigation. For a sunny day like this, besides being easy to navigate, it makes it easy for the escort fighters to find the bombers. Of course, it always makes it easier for the enemy to find you, but if you have fighter escort, you shouldn't have a problem. But if you fail to link up with the fighters because of bad weather, then you're on your own, and generally things get worse from there. Enjoy the scenery here because it's about to change. Remember that you are restricted to the first-person cockpit view. But for cinematic effect and audience retention, I hope you can sit back and enjoy the movie. You can see the limitations on the visibility from the cockpit, and without a clear horizon for visual reference, we're actually flying on instruments. We've flown in this manner for the past 15 minutes, and now we're at the target and we're experiencing some flak, which simply reinforces the fact that we've reached our target, which is some sort of fortified artillery complex. Because of the poor visibility, we're forced to bomb from 1500 meters. Less than ideal because we're right in the flak zone. Setting up for a level bombing run. You can see the target coming into sight there in the middle of the field. By pre-arrangement, my partner Fly will be targeting the right-hand side of the target, and I will target the left. And Fly has just taken 2 direct flak hits. Lost his tail. Looks like he's going down. Time for me to get the hell out of here. I will write to his grieving mother and tell her we hit the target. My own Heinkel crew and I were completely unscathed. And now, believe it or not, the biggest challenge is to find my way home. Without radio navigation beacons, I have to rely entirely on my ability to navigate and map read. And so will you. I held my heading until I could find something that I recognized on the map, reoriented myself, and followed this railway track back to the airfield. Can you see the airfield at about the 1 o'clock position? Just on this part of the approach here, I lost my left engine. I didn't really have time to feather the prop. As this is actually my first mission in this aircraft, I don't know the systems as well as I should. And just like the real pilots of that period, I would hope to live long enough to know them well. But first things first, what's important for me now is to keep this aircraft flying and under control, and to put it on the ground in one piece. And I have 4 other crew members on board who are relying on me to do just that. I think you can see there are numerous challenges to flying on this server, and that you need a certain level of experience to be able to make it successfully. I don't know much about the rules to the server, but I do know that each aircraft is a valuable asset, and so we want experienced people to be flying them so we don't wreck them. I highly recommend that you practice and hone all your skills so that when you come on this server, you're at the same level as everyone else. You'll be less frustrated, more popular, and live longer. And once again, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please